So I know you guys are going to see me prime both eyelids with my concealer, but I only ended up filming just one side because your girl got lazy. So yeah, I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm blending out my concealer. Then after that, I'm going to set it with my Sephora powder foundation. After that, I'm going to take shade Escape from the James Charles palette, and then I'm going to start to draw out my crease. So I like to do my cut creases like this. I like to start off with my guideline, and then I'll blend, and then like I'll just cut it. Like I just feel like it's easier for me that way. So after blending out Escape and adding more, obviously just to deepen it up, we're going to cut the crease. So I'm just going to take my concealer and a small brush, and I'm just going to follow right underneath my guideline. To me, this is the best part about a cut crease, is cutting your crease. Like, oh, it's so satisfying. I love to watch people do it. So once I've cut the crease and I'm done doing that and then dragging out the concealer also, I'll go back into my crease with the color Escape and I'll just deepen it up. So just following the guideline again. Now I'm going to take Escape and Single and I'm going to mix them together and use that to blend out my crease. So now I'm going to take the lightest purple shade in the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes original palette. I don't know the shade name, and I don't think they have any names, but yeah, that's what I'm taking. I'm going to put that in the inner corner, and I'm going to drag it out to maybe about the middle of my eyelid. Now dipping back into the James Charles palette, I took shade Artistry and I'm just adding it right next to that lighter shade that we put down already. So now comes the scary part. I'm gonna do my wing. So what I like to do is I took the black eyeshadow color from the James Charles palette and I just use that to use it as a guideline. I didn't want to go straight in with eyeliner, and I never do if I'm doing this kind of look. I'll like map it out with a black eyeshadow first, and then I'll just go over it with my eyeliner later. So now watching my video, I can honestly say that I could have mapped out my wing a lot better to match my cut crease, to match the flow of my cut crease. So now just adding more of that purple shade, and then after that I'm going to go more in with the black. So now I'm just going to take concealer on a small concealer brush, and I'm just going to clean up that line in between and underneath my wing. So by taking my concealer and cleaning up in between my crease and my wing, that's actually going to act as kind of like my adhesive for my glitter. That's just because I don't have glitter glue on me. The glitter that I'm going to use for this look is from Too Faced, and it's called Glitterly, which is so cute. Now after doing that, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D black eyeliner, and I'm just going to trace over my guideline for my wing. After laying down the black eyeliner, I'm just going to go in with black eyeshadow again, just to try and blend it out. And honestly, I'm kind of disappointed in myself because the first time I did this look, it looked so good and like so blended, especially the black. And I think it's because I'm using a different black eyeshadow. This is my first time using the black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm going to go back in with my glitter and just add some more. So there's a lot of going back and forth for me in this cut crease. In this video, I took Escape and I'm just adding it into my crease just to deepen it up. Now I'm just connecting my eyeliner to my wing. So now it's time for lashes. I believe these are Lily lashes, but I'm not sure the style. As you can see, because they're in that little container. Once they're in that container and out of that box, the original box, girl, it's over. Like, it's gone. I don't know the name. I don't know nothing. So just adding finishing touches now, taking the shades, Love That and Escape, and blending out my crease more. Sorry, you guys, I didn't film an ending for this video. I did film me doing the rest of that half of my face, and it just didn't come out the way I wanted to. But this is all I have to show you guys, like, what my eyeshadow looked like. So yeah, I'm so sorry about that, but thank you for watching and thank you for being patient. I hope you guys liked my video.